We are doing a cabin tour of Wonder of the Seas, interior, balcony, room 12329. Deck 12. Interior boardwalk balcony, as they call it. Voila. This is disembarkation day. I have lived in here, so I know. First, you got this full-size mirror. I think I've only seen that one other time on MSC Seashore. You got your thermostat here, though it's not going to work when the balcony doors open. That's what that sign means right there. Let's go into the bathroom first. And this was by far my favorite bathroom I've ever got, because it's actually not a tiny ass shower. Let me just show you. Now, I just had the shower on, so my feet are gonna get wet, but I mean, I can almost look, elbow to elbow. My elbow's against the door right now, and I still have, my other elbow still has about 3 inches to spare. Crazy amount of space for a balcony shower. Everything else is pretty standard. If you watch my other series, I've had issues with the toilet being too close to the cabinet, too high or low. This one kind of fits it just right. But nothing else too special about the bathroom. And I do like this little desk area. It's got like a lot of times I just use that for my light. I do like how they split up the tabletops. So like I was using this for like my electronics, and then all the food and liquids I wanted to keep away from the electronics, I kept up here. A lot of times they'll just have like one long table, but I like how they kind of divvied this one up. They give you hair dryer, Kleenexes. The rest are all empty, but standard size cooler, and also standard temperature cooler. Not cold, just cool. Everything's in great condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on Wonders yet. For the other storage space, you got a closet for maybe your longer stuff. If you're super tall or just like a robe. And then other cabinet is a little bit more divvied up. You're safe. It's a pretty nice sized couch. Probably the biggest I've had. But actually one thing I thought was kind of weird. This pillow is like leather. I can only imagine taking a nap on that and then having to peel your face off afterwards. Nice little chair. Nice size TV. Probably like a 40, let's say around 40. But I like the placement. I like how it's right in front of the bed, because all the other royal ships have kind of been off to the side of the bed. You had to kind of like lean on one side, but I like waking up and going right to that map channel. Comfortable bed. You got 2 little nightstands, and they come equipped with one standard and one USB. Same on the other side, though they give you a phone over here. and for what everyone wants to see. So I actually paid extra just for this room because of this view right here. You are overlooking the AquaTheater. And I'll put a clip in of a show right now. We are on deck 12, and it is the highest deck before you get into that ceiling, the wonder of the sea signs. We're right below that, and the very last one on this deck. So after us, you actually have the light room that does all the lighting for the Aqua Show. And then once you get behind that, so you can see it better on the other side. That right there is the light room. But then after that, those are actually AquaTheater suites. But we're getting pretty much the same damn view. The difference is they can't see the boardwalk like I could. Or we can whenever I get my camera right. Oh my God. One other thing, because I haven't really experienced this on any other balcony. So because these kind of dip out right here, you can easily see into your neighbor's balcony. Obviously you can see right now, if you're standing at the end of it, you can see, because these little dividers only go up about like 3/4. Not only can you see when someone is standing out there just looking over their balcony, it makes it really easy to just like peek over. Just go boop. It's not a big deal. It's just, I've never seen that. You know what? Now that I'm looking across the street here, let me just say one thing, because this happened to me. Normally, when I have a balcony or any room, I like to leave the door open when I'm showering so the bathroom doesn't get all steamy and fogged up. But this is what the bathroom is, a direct shot. My feet are gonna get so wet now. Is a direct shot out the balcony into somebody else's room. So I would say about 3 times it took me to learn and to remember to shut the curtains before you take a shower. Because once, you're either gonna have to get out all wet or just roll the dice. I rolled the dice the first 2 times and kind of just quickly finished up. The last time I got out and all wet and closed the curtains. But yeah, just a heads up. That should be a wrap. Wonder of the Seas, deck 12, 12329.